Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on eating and drinking in the workplace. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Eating and drinking in the workplace can be hazardous to your health. Taking the time to note what is going on around the area where you eat and drink could be essential to your health. OSHA is very specific about the consumption of food or beverages in the workplace. This lesson will cover those guidelines as well as how good housekeeping will keep you in compliance and safe on the job. Eating and drinking in the workplace may seem harmless, and in some situations may be. However, there are many instances where food and drink can spell disaster. This may be due to health concerns or maybe a distraction in the work area. As we talk about ways to deal with eating and drinking in the workplace, pay attention to what is happening around where you eat, drink, and store your food. Food and beverages should not be stored or consumed in a toilet room or in an area where it may be contaminated by any toxic material. Sprays such as cleaners, paints, pesticides, or other types of chemicals can and will contaminate your food or drink. Eating and drinking is prohibited in areas that are used to store or use any material that is toxic. OSHA prohibits the consumption of food and drink in areas in which work involving exposure or potential exposure to blood or other potentially infectious material exists, or where the potential for contamination of work surfaces exists. Eating, drinking, smoking, applying cosmetics or lip balm, and handling contact lenses is prohibited in work areas where there is a reasonable likelihood for occupational exposure. Exposure means that the hazardous material will contaminate these items.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.